Yeah.
The bench moves.
Yes, sir. You know, it's one of those things where every day I try to tell a little story. So the quote of the day is, the dream is free, but the hustle is sold separately.
I like that.
You know what I mean?
I like that.
It's just like you right now. It's like 4 o'clock in the morning, and you're out here grinding. You know what I'm saying?
You gotta get that bread.
I heard that. All right, brother.
All right,
Peace out, man. Hey, I
take
appreciate
it
you, man.
easy. You be safe on that road,
Yep.
man.
Oh, it's cold out here. I turned down. I apologize.
You're good.
Thank you, sir. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. It is so cold, my truck barely wanted to start. You can hear it. You can hear it, man. Man, I got so scared for a second. Woo! Tip of the day. Don't leave your truck off for too long when it's cold, because it definitely won't start. That was a hard start. What's going on, my truckers? So I've been at my job. I'm out in San Angelo. Got shipment, small stuff, ready to go. Ooh. Mother truckers. Alright, mother truckers, I'm done with my job. I head out to the truck stop real quick. Grab a chicken sandwich. Grilled, of course. Try to stay a little healthy, no mayo. Right, I knew you were gonna ask me. Now I'm headed towards Houston. Today's definitely been a hustle. Let's get it going. The truckers, I made it to Bastrop, Texas. I have no clue where that is. All I know is I'm a couple hours away from Houston. I have my job tomorrow morning. Basically, I went from Killeen, Texas to San Angelo, Texas, now to Bastrop, Texas. All I gotta say, the dream is free, baby. But the hustle's sold separately, man. Just remember that. You guys can do it. I know you can. If a guy like me can do it, you definitely can do it. Have a great night. Peace.